How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch any web browser or simply you can launch Google. Now here you need to tap on the search bar and type in youtube.com/redeem. And then you will reach on this interface, but before that make sure to log into any of your account on YouTube or Google, and then you need to enter the code here and you can easily redeem code for YouTube Premium, and then you can enjoy the features and facilities from that premium codes. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.